Hello everybody and welcome back to the Parrot aviary. I hope you guys are ready to geek out with your beaks out at this place. We are at the Sugar Creek Bird Farm. This place is really cool from what I've seen online and on Facebook. This is my first time coming here to visit. It looks quite big. They have an emu outside already, so I'm sure it is going to be amazing, and I hope you guys enjoy this tour. I don't see the price, but I can only imagine. This place is so much bigger than Bird Fever. Over here they have a nursery. They got this little friendly guy right here just hanging out. And chubby. Nice. This is all their perches, ladders, and swings. They have quite the extensive collection here. Look at these ropes. We almost walked right past these birds, y'all. Didn't even see them out perching. They're so pretty. Hi. Hello. How are you? Toy class, and I believe this is tomorrow. I was gonna come tomorrow and actually do that, but this place offers classes and has events and stuff like that where you can learn to care for your birds firsthand. So this is something really cool that I haven't seen yet anywhere. They have an edible flower rack. So all the plants right here are gonna be bird safe. You can have them in your aviary. All the toys that you could possibly imagine. They have the self-service station. Pardon me. We're gonna check out in here real quick. They got a few cages, but they have an outdoor bird aviary, y'all, that we're allowed to go out there in. So that is the prize. I hope you guys are excited for that. Sorry it's really loud, of course, with all these birds, but we're gonna get to it. We have cages and all these cool looking perches, food trays. More of these birds. All of these are just being boarded. They are not for sale, but they're still pretty to come look at. They got some big guys in here. Hi. Oh. Are you over here demanding attention, pretty? Hi. Look at you. Can you say hello? Can you say hello? Pretty bird. Big old cage. What you doing? Somebody's talking. Oh, hello. Now you want to say hello, huh? Hi. Can I pet you? Huh? Can I pet your little head? Hi. They got a toucan. The male keel-billed toucan, 5 years old. Hi. Hi. All right, everybody, we're getting ready to go out here in this outdoor bird aviary. I hope you guys enjoy. This girl that walks up to me is only 14 years old, and she is very informative. She can't have a job here, but she can volunteer here, and that's what she has been doing for a year. She gave us some really helpful advice, was very nice. No, ma'am.
No? Okay, so there's a few rules.
Okay.
But they're very simple. There's sanitizer over there. You're going to want sanitizer between holding each bird.
Okay.
Our germs and birds' germs are very different, so germs that would be good for us will be bad for them. So you have to do that. Sadie up there, she's the hyacinth macaw and the big rope over there.
Yeah.
She just got over a bacterial and sinus infection because people were not sanitizing. So
Okay.
most of the birds out here are friendly. You can ask me if you want to hold one, or you can just kind of try.
See if
You might get bit though.
it comes with the
gonna be
territory.
normal, so,
Yeah.
Normally the ones by the table over there are going to be the nicest.
Okay. Thank you very much. No, I had just looked up your store. Looked up bird stores. I never heard of this place, and then I stumbled across it. I got a YouTube channel, and I just tried doing store tours, and I have a couple birds myself, so wanted to check the place out.
Yeah.
Look at these African grays. Hi. Hi, baby.
Okay, girl, is this good?
Hi. Hello, did you just call me, huh? Did you just pet call me? This guy just said hello and, huh. This dude was very interested in Nicole, and the worker said it's probably her keys.
Yeah, so you put that.
This is one of the ones that actually let you hold it. Like, this bird loves. This place is amazing, y'all. Look at all these Quakers. Hi. So this guy has became a friend, one of the other birds as well, but this dude's real cuddly. He just likes to lay there and get scritches behind his neck. This place is really amazing, and I'm really happy that I came here to check it out. They also have a bunch of products, as you've seen, that I'm probably gonna leave with a few. Last but not least, y'all, I almost left without showing you guys this big old emu. I'm guessing they have quite a few acres out here that they get to just run around on. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Got to geek out with your beaks out, because I sure did. And thank you very much for watching.